Hey, money magnets, what if you can get a $20,000 credit card and a $30,000 personal loan all from the same place with just $5 to join?
Look, this credit union is quietly handing out massive limits, and most people have never heard of them. We're going to be talking about credit cards and personal loans getting approved.
Okay, today we're talking about Market USA Federal Credit Union, a hidden gem money magnet that's not just offering big credit card limits, but you can get a personal loan for up to $30,000 with flexible terms.
And look, we've helped thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners get real funding. I like this credit union. They got easy access, great rates, and the good thing about it, anyone can join nationwide. So if you guys are looking for a credit union, this might be it.
Okay, let's talk about what are the requirements for membership. Okay, so all you need is $5 to join, and you don't have to live in Maryland or South Carolina. They're part of the national-wide network.
All right, Gloria, all you have to do is join the Market USA Cares Foundation for $5, and you got to get a member savings account for $5 in order to be a member. And then you got to figure out, do you want a VIP checking account or do you want a VIP savings account?
Okay, Marvin, I'm loving this credit union already. But let's look at their products and what they have to offer and how they can benefit you. So, the first card is the Visa Platinum card. Now, this card has limits up to $20,000. No annual fees, and you know how I feel about holding a card in your wallet where you don't have to pay an annual fee. This card also offers 0% APR for the first 6 months of having the card. Now, if you have a high limit credit card, you know what that means, money magnets. You can do a balance transfer and pay no interest to get your balances down a little bit faster. There's no cash advance fee or no balance transfer fees. Okay, Marvin, what if I want rewards points?
All right, Gloria, they have the Visa Platinum Rewards card. All right, with this card, you also get 0% for 6 months. You get a competitive rate for the 6 month introductory period. You can earn 1 point for every dollar spent, redeemable for travel, merchandise, gift cards, cash back, and more. Also, this one goes up to $20,000. You get no annual fee, no cash advance fee, no balance transfer fee. So this card is great if you're looking to combine some balances and then get your score to go up. Because now if you lower that balance on all those other cards and combine it on this one, guess what, guys? Your credit score is going to go up. And the other good thing about it, you got a 25-day grace period. And this is a good card if you're looking to get big limits. You know, one thing I think people don't realize with credit cards, in order to go to the business side, on the personal side, you need to have anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000 limits before you'll get sizable limits on the business side.
We're gonna jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video.
Okay, Marvin, what about the personal loans?
Look, here's where it really gets exciting. Market USA offers a personal loan up to $30,000. That's right, 30 grand you can use just about for anything. If you need to take a family trip, new furniture, even business expenses if you're trying to get that side hustle off the ground, or you can even use it to consolidate high interest debt.
And then the rates, they're as low as 7.24 APR for 12 months with flexible repayment terms. And money magnets, you have up to 60 months to pay it back. That right there can be a cash flow changer for your pocket. And also, they give you a bonus. If you have qualifying rewards, first relationships, you get a 0.5% rate discount. If you set up automatic payments, you can shave off 0.25% as well.
And remember, no collateral required. Just apply, get approved, and the funds are yours. Plus, you can skip a payment twice a year for a small fee right from the app or online banking. That's kind of like some breathing room that most banks don't offer. I mean, anything can happen during the year if life starts lifing, and you get a chance to skip 2 payments in a year. All right, Gloria, what about loan terms and flexibility of this loan?
Okay, now this is what I'm loving. You can borrow as little as $200 for a short-term loan and go all the way up to $30,000 for the 60-month term loan. Okay, so the minimum loan is just $5,000 and the rates is amazing. The APR is 7.25% all the way up to 9.24%. And Money Magnets, this is still way better than most credit card payments.
And remember, you get those discounts for Rewards One and Auto Pay, so you really can lower your costs. So Gloria, what about the application process and how you actually get this loan?
Okay, so the application process is fast and online, so you don't have to worry about that, Money Magnets. You just need your ID, your proof of income, and $5 for the membership. Apply for both the credit card and the personal loan in one go. You don't have to worry about doing it 2 separate times. If you approve, you can walk away with up to $50,000 in total credit access. That right there, cash flow changer.
Look, that's the kind of funding that can change the game for your business or your family. And look, Gloria, let's tell them why it matters for business owners.
Okay, business owners, let's dive into this, okay? This is your chance. The personal loan can cover equipment, inventory, or unexpected expenses while you build your business credit. That right there, Money Magnets, you don't want to sleep on.
Look, we've seen our clients use several credit unions to get started on the personal side until they were able to get to the business side. Then you stack more credit lines and funding sources. It's all about having flexibility and options, guys. Don't get married to one bank or one credit union, but then don't join too many all at the same time.
So my question to you, Money Magnets, do you want a real funding strategy? Well, we've helped thousands of business owners build bulletproof credit portfolios.
All right, guys, make sure you click the link in the description below. If you want to book a one-on-one business strategy call with Gloria and myself, we'll show you how to leverage Market USA and other hidden gems to stack your funding.
Okay, Money Magnets, don't settle for just one credit card or loan. Let us help you build your funding empire. Book your call today.
Look, and if you found value in this video and you learned a lot today, smash the like button and subscribe for more hidden funding gems.
Okay, Money Magnets, and drop a comment if you're checking out Market USA or if you know another credit union that you would love for us to review.
And if you're looking for another bank that has $50,000 limits, make sure you check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.